So I got this 2012 Volkswagen Tiguan, and it wouldn't start at all. So I figured out the first problem, and it was the push start button right here. I took it apart and cleaned the contacts. It had a lot of like black stuff in it, and it wouldn't start. Like it will kind of like that. It will not shut off, but now it does. See, it works. So if you don't want to spend some money on that, just clean it, take it apart, be careful, and put it back together. So I got this problem figured out, and now the car, I have the key right here. It won't start. It says Volkswagen system ignition on. I can see the pedal right there. I'm pressing it, but it has this thing right here, and it's not letting it start. And it has to do with the steering column right here on the bottom. I think it's this piece right here, and it's not. It says open circuit. It's showing in the code, and it says open circuit. So if I want to start it, if you were in a bind or something, I found a way to start it. And on the bottom right here, this relay right here, you can see that cable right there. It's kind of like an orange fat cable right there. I think that's the signal for the starter. So if you see right here, you can barely touch that cable. That's the one on the bottom on this relay. And I'm pressing the pedal, and I give it some juice. 12 volts. See, right there is the ground, and you give it some juice, and it starts the car. Car started right away. But the whole problem is this little box right here. And man, I don't know how much that thing is gonna run, and you have to take probably the whole column apart, take it off from there, because oh man, it's gonna be a pain in the ass. But if you're gonna bind and you need a quick start, need to move it around, that's how you're gonna do it. Get a Power Pro. I'm gonna turn it off. Like right now, my thing is working. See, it's working, but it won't start again. It makes like a clicking sound, and it's that relay right there. But the relay is okay. What is bad is this part right here under steering column. So I hope this helped you guys. I will start it again for you. I'm pressing the pedal. It's right there. It's right there. You can see it. You press a little bit. I can do it. You get the ground signal from the starter, and boom, start it. Good luck to you guys. See ya.